Alright guys, so I'm about to get the trailer floor repaired right here. It's towards the back of my trailer.
Oh yeah. So I might have to pull this off.
You gotta take this off? Okay.
I don't think there's a cross member right here
Yeah.
to tie into. But then I'll just cut it here and here 2 foot and cut it there.
Yeah, because this is, you gotta change all this.
Yeah, both of these boards say, and they can't be the same distance or you'll lose your strength in it. But yeah. So that's how it is.
Here he comes with the new wood. Perfect. A fresh pair with a fresh sheet of wood. Fresh sheet of wood. Just lift the screws out. I'm going straight down. Perfect. What do you use? Right. Got the big boys out. Yep. oh my, guys. Now we got a massive hole. On the end, a little bit better. Looks like right now he's just trying to squeeze this section in. He's trying to keep it as tight as possible so it prevents moisture from going on there and causing this fresh piece of wood to rotten. So he just put this one in. This one went in easy, so he's trying to get this one slot in as tight as possible. But we got some fresh looking wood. Soon this wood is gonna look like this when the forklift runs over it back and forth over a period of time. It's gonna look like this. Then I guess the hardest part is removing the existing piece, trashing it out, breaking it down like what it looks like there, and getting rid of these, and then install the new piece. But this is why forklift operators should be easy on our trailer when they're going in and out, because this is an expensive repair. I'm not saying that over time the wood won't get dry rotted and rotten out, but there are times, you know, you gotta really take it easy on these trailers, because doing repairs on these trailers is very expensive, man. Trust me. Alright guys, so he's not able to squeeze it in, so he's gonna shave it down a bit. So he went back there with a piece of wood to shave it down. I think that's the best way, because it's just a little bit, it's just a little tiny bit too thick, you know. So him doing that now, he should be able to slot in. You just need to shave it down just a little bit. But oh yeah, that's true. Alright guys, so he got it in. He got it in there. So you shave it down a little bit and got it in. I wish I never had those spots right here. Time to button it up. Alright guys, so we made it to the end of the video. I want to say guys, thank you for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stick and stay for the next one. I'm out.